Hey guys, welcome to the fast food taste test. We're gonna go to 3 different fast food restaurants and we're gonna try out 4 different fast food items. Here we go.
Hey guys,
I'm Kyle,
and I'm Jonah.
and we're here at Lodi's own Burger King to try out one of their secret menu items. Here, we have the classic rodeo burger. Now this isn't any normal burger. This is a burger with barbecue sauce and onion rings on it. So, wish us luck.
And fun fact about this specific burger, this was actually on the menu for a little bit. And then they took it off because it was a limited run on their value menu. So now you have to custom make it, but it's still the same ingredients, still the same barbecue sauce, still the same great quality onion rings.
So let's give it a bite.
How does that taste, Kyle?
Why don't you give it a try? 5 out of 10. Could or could not eat again. Depends on how I'm feeling.
I think it's a really good burger, to be honest. I gotta give it to the burger. The patty and the barbecue sauce really contrast each other. It's kind of that sweet and salty kind of taste, and that onion ring really diffuses it, gives that like a zest, you know. And it's good. Burger King's onions are actually really good. They're minced, so they give a kind of a texture that is usually a bit different in most onion rings. So I approve of this. It's definitely up there in a good dollar menu burger. So this cost us around $2 to get, you know. So.
And now, on to our next stop, McDonald's.
So our first stop today was McDonald's, a well-known fast food restaurant, been operating since the 50s, very popular for the chicken nuggets and Big Macs. But here we have something people don't see often. This is called the Land, Air, and Sea Burger. So this little baby is made of 2 Big Mac patties, a fish fillet, and a McChicken patty. Okay? And we're gonna try it out here. Wish me luck. Seven out of 10 would eat again. I'm gonna take another bite. That's pretty decent. And now to our next stop, our final stop, Wendy's.
Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. We're here at this vintage Wendy's location. The lights are beautiful, and we're at Wendy's, where the beef is never frozen. So while they're on their way to the NCAA Final Four, we decided to check out some of their secret menu items. Here, we got the cheese chili fries. Now let me tell you, there was some assembly required. And here, we have the grilled cheese, which is just a bun with a slice of cheese. Okay, so first, we're gonna try the chili cheese fries. Wow. I think I'm gonna need to go for a second fry. Yeah. That's pretty nasty. I'll give that a 4 out of 10, would not eat again. So now the moment we've all been waiting for. The top of the list, the head honcho, the weirdest of the weird. The grilled cheese. Let me tell you. Tastes like bread with cheese on it. No further questions needed. I think that wraps it up very nicely. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out all the videos on the Lodi Rampage. Alright guys, that was the fast food taste test. We tried some zany items.
Very
I have to
zany.
say, my favorite, the rodeo burger. What was your favorite?
To be honest, that grilled cheese in Wendy's did look very scrumptious.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.
Peace.
Do it. Eat it.
I'm lactose intolerant.
It's been on for like the past minute.
Making our rodeo burger over here. Hey. Oh.
Move that bag.
Go.
Guys. A little bit more. Actually, why don't I just... Okay, wait, stop my keys.
Hey guys. Kyle and Jonah here.
Hello.
We're here at Lodi's. Start over.
So